Hello everyone, welcome to Teacher's Printout. In this video, we are going to learn about the use of has, have and had. Let's start with has. Has is used with some pronouns such as he, she, it and also with some singular nouns. For example, with he has a brown coat. He has a beautiful garden. With she has a long hair. She has a pet dog. With it has 4 wheels. It has a lot of features. And with singular noun, the cat has soft fur. The baby has a cute smile. Here cat and baby are singular noun. Now let's learn where do we use have. We used have with some pronouns such as I, you, we, they and also with some plural nouns. For example, I have a book to read. You have a meeting at 2 p.m. We have a lot of fun together. They have 2 dogs and a cat. The kids have new bicycles. The friends have plans to travel together. Here, kids and friends are plural nouns. Now, the use of had. Had is used to express past. For example, we had a lot of fun on vacation. The boy had eaten his lunch already. I had a wonderful childhood. The teacher had a meeting yesterday. Look, here all the incidents are happened in past. So had is used in these sentences. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more updates.